Hey LTD fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make a crisp image from Canva when your images from Canva keep turning out blurry. Let's jump right into it. As you can tell from my original Canva export, it's pretty blurry. So what I did was take an extra step and I got a really crisp, clear image that I could easily use on my website because this blurry image doesn't look good. What I noticed that most of the times when graphic designs are blurry from Canva, it's when it's text only. So here is a text graphic. Just go about your normal business creating what you like, then head over to the download section. And usually I will click on PNG first and download that just to see how it looks. And we can see here that this is pretty blurry compared to how it looks in Canva. I want this, not this. So I'll go back to Canva, click the download button again, and instead of clicking on PNG or JPEG, I actually don't really try JPEG that often, go to PDF print. It's a high quality multi-page document and download that instead. And as you can tell from PDF to PNG, this is much more crisp, but you can't use a PDF in your website or just for images overall. So then I go to smallpdf.com. And once I'm in smallpdf.com, I go to PDF to JPEG. And I get the PDF that I just downloaded from Canva and I drop it in here. However, I use my free limit, but if you do use smallpdf.com, you want to convert PDF pages to images. Do not use extract images in your PDF. You're going to want to do the entire convert PDF pages to images. This is what I've always used, and apparently I've reached my free limit. You can also use the website pdf2jpeg.net. So you same exact thing, you choose a PDF file, drop it in. I choose excellent to make sure that it's really crisp. And then I do convert PDF to JPEG. And it's super easy. You can view it or download it. For this purpose, I'll just view it. And you can see already compared to the PNG that we exported, that it is much more crisp. And there you go. It's super simple, super easy. So if you want to even skip this step of exporting at PNG and just go right to PDF print, that is a possibility. So you don't have to do that extra step to see if it's going to turn out blurry or not. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will have these links in the description below, so it is easy for you to make your crisp, clear Canva images.